Wallace, Kenny Stewart and Nick Sauls. If you want to make your way down onto the grass as well, let's hit a massive round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And if you'd all be upstanding in true opening ceremony style, we will start with the national anthems, of course. And first up, it's Great Britain. Two verses. It's always two verses.